How to solve the very invite sent problem on your Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. But before this, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram on your device. After that, simply open your Instagram application now. After opening it, when you send the invite to any person on your Instagram Messenger and the messages cannot be sent anymore, then just try to restrict that person first of all and see if you can send a message to them or not. After restricting them, just unrestrict them again. If this does not work, then you can simply go to that very person, tap on the three vertical lines and tap on the very block option and unblock them again and try to send message. If it does not work, then update your Instagram, reinstall it again and see if it works. If none of the process works, then there is one method that you can do, that is to report a problem on Instagram. You can simply go on the three vertical lines on the top right side for that and scroll a little bit down, and then you will see the very option of help right there. You can simply tap on the help option if you are confused about something and you want to know how you can solve this very problem. After going to the help option, you can also see the report option right there. Tap on the report a problem option and just go back and report the problem. If you have, you can mention the account as well and say what your problem is, and then Instagram might give you a feedback and your problem should be solved now. So that's how we can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.